Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Hi everyone. I want to start by saying please understand, especially if you're new to this channel, you might not know that I'm visually impaired, so apologies if the camera is pointing completely wrong. But today I'm gonna show you how to enable Sarah, the British English female Cortana voice, but how to enable it in Windows 10 to be able to use, text to speech like I use NVDA. Because by default you can't use it in Windows 10. So first I'm going to, because I've already done this on Haruko, so I'm going to do it on Tulip now. So let's find the right plug. The extension, right. So I don't know what the battery is on Tulip because I haven't been on it for a while, so. And you probably know Tulip. Well, I mean, no, that was just the thing, of a clean keyboard. So we plug her in. Make sure that transformers, because for some reason on Tulip it sometimes comes out, so it's not in properly. Hang on. Right, that's in properly, isn't it? Did I turn that on? Nah. Right. Now, I may have mentioned it. Where's my phone? Oh, here. Right, I may have mentioned it before, but for some reason Tulip beeps. If the battery's low, the actual battery is low, even when she's just charging, like, she'll do a really loud beep and go into the BIOS and have to hard reset. Because I only know it's a BIOS because I've got enough sight to see, sort of see the colour contrast, but I couldn't read it. But because of my synesthesia and autism, it really frightens me. Like, it's so loud, and because of my attachment to Tulip, it kind of like, well, I know it's not a beep like something's really wrong. Like before, when she did that constant beep, I actually felt it, like, in my stomach, solar plexus. But I'm gonna go out the room when I switch her on. Let me first. Hang on. Let me first plug the cooler in, because I put her in the cooler. Dust going in now. Oh, we're going. Oh yeah, it has now. So turn her on. Check nothing's touching the screen, because and I run out the room when I do. Oh, where's that sticky? Oh no. Right. Right, I'm going out the room, everyone. Just. Please don't beep. I don't like when she beeps. by now. I'm gonna walk in, blocking my ears. Shoot. Don't you dare. Don't you dare, I'm telling ya. Oh, she's loaded. We're alright today. Let me put a Ruko on the floor a minute. So I can sit down. Let me check somewhere. Oh yeah, NVDA doesn't start automatically, does it, on Tulip? Oh no! Oh, it's alright. Yeah, we have some problem, I think. Why? Oh, she's still loading, I think. Well, the desktop's there. Hang on. Oh! Yeah. Let me put the cooler on because... Why? Why ain't that working? Oh my god! Really? I plugged the wrong thing in. I plugged the speakers in. This is the cooler. Hang on. Sorry everyone, please bear with. Right. Why isn't it working? Tulip. Am I losing my mind? Where's the cooler plug? It's this one. It's this one. And Tulip's USB, hang on. Right, that's it.
67% AC power. 48.
I'm not even doing that. Right. The RAM and all that. So, as you can hear, I'm using Eloquence with NVDA. I recently updated the NVDA version on WeWhip. So, what I've done this time is I've found the code because there's certain... You can either do it manually by...
Edit blank.
Wait. Registry.
Secure desktop. Taskbar. Registry editor. Preview. Level 0 computer.
Right, you can do it this way by going
Level
to...
1 HKEY classes root collapse. HKEY current user collapse 1 of 1 level 1. HKEY local
You want
machine
local
collapse, 1 of 1
machine,
level.
open
Expanded
that.
0. Level 2 PCDs. Component. Drivers collapse. Hardware collapse. SAM collapse 1. Security 1 of 1 level 2. Software collapse 1 of 1 level 2. Expanded 0 item. Level 3 classes collapse. Clients collapse 1. Default user. Google collapse.
You know what? I can't actually remember it, I think.
Macromedia collapse 1. Microsoft collapse 1. Expanded 0 items. Level 4.net framework collapse 1 of 1. Accounts control. Active setup collapse. Active sync. ADS collapse. S. Scheduling 8. Secure. SEMG. Sensors 1. Share 2. Shell collapse. Sync collapse. CU 1 of 1. Soft grid collapse 1 of 1. Software collapse. Speech collapse 1 of 1 level 4.
Why?
Expanded 0 item. Level 5 app lexicons collapse 1 of 1.
Right, I think it's somewhere around here if you do it manually, but it sounded dead complicated. So what I did is I got the code for like the keys and that, copied it into a notepad, and then save it with the extension .reg. So, go into Dropbox.
Desktop list R selected.
What?
Opacity 1. Recycle bin D. Desktop dot D. Defragment 30 D. Dropbox 14 of 16.
Dropbox. And then I put it in because I first did this on the Ruco. So, and that was a mistake because the version on Tulip is the version that is inaccessible.
Desktop list.
Oh, it's
Dropbox.
okay, I don't know what's going on.
Edit, blank,
So we
edit,
press
blank.
Control Escape, type in Dropbox.
X.
Now we want to go
Search the internet.
down with the arrow keys.
Search the
Type it properly to
edit.
start with.
edit D. X. Dropbox. Search the internet.
Right,
Dropbox D. Dropbox 4.3 dot add dot
really?
Dropbox D. Dot red N. CC20 story dot CC20
Right.
files 40 Dropbox D. Dropbox dot.
Right, you
Dropbox
want
D.
this one under files,
Unknown.
I think. Is it?
Dropbox window preview level 0 quick access. Apps 2 of 25.
Yeah, this is the old layout because if I open the one on the desktop, the shortcut, it's not accessible. So we press S for Sarah.
Sarah.reg 24 of 25.
Well, we've got Sarah.reg. Now let me just show you. If I right click, open with, right click on the keyboard.
Rename it. Drop. Create shortcut S. Copy C. Cut E. Send to submenu. Restore previous. Give access. Open with submenu H. Search the registry. Notepad N.
Right.
Dropbox window. Items view. Sarah.reg notepad.
Now, this is probably going to go all over your head.
Registry editor version 5.0.
But this is what I've had to copy. So,
Blank. HKEY local machine software.
right, no.
Windows registry.
What I'm going to do is caps lock P or insert, depending on which NVDA key you use.
Symbol level most. Symbol level all.
Right, I need it to read all of it, so
Blank. Left bracket HKEY line local line machine / software / Microsoft / speech line 1 core / voices / tokens / MSTTS line V110 line NGB line Sarah M right bracket. Blank. Left bracket HKEY line local line machine / software / Microsoft at equals quote Microsoft Sarah mobile - English left parent United Kingdom right parent quote. Quote land data path quote equals quote percent window percent / speech line 1 core / engines / TTS / n dash GB / MSTTS those and GB dot that quote. Quote land update data directory quote equals quote percent system drive percent / data / shared data / speech line 1 core /
What's that noise?
TTS / n dash GB quote. Quote voice path quote equals quote percent window percent / speech line 1 core / engines / TTS / n dash GB / M2057 Sarah quote. Quote voice update data directory quote equals quote percent system drive percent / data / shared data / speech line 1 core / engines / TTS / n dash GB quote. Quote 809 quote equals quote Microsoft Sarah mobile quote blank.
Oh.
Left bracket HKEY line local.
I'm not
blank.
reading all of this, but you can see why I wouldn't have been able to memorise it myself. So what I've done is I've saved it as Sarah.reg. So basically,
Web evil. Sarah.reg 24 of 25.
if you want this file, rather than trying to find it all and copy it and all that yourself, then feel free to message me if you like use NVDA and you like this voice. So we'll press right click key until you hear context menu. Go up with the arrows.
Properties are rename it. Delete D. Create short
And you
context.
want to
Copy
listen
C.
for
Cut E.
merge.
Send to submenu N. Restore preview. Give access. Open with sub. Share. Scan will win. Open and drop. View comments. View on drop version history. Copy Dropbox. Send with trans. Share dot. Defrag the submenu N. Move to one drop. Print P. Edit E. Merge G.
And listen, I've got the Windows 98 sounds because they're cool on Tulip.
Secure desktop.
Right, listen to this. I don't need to read it all to you, I don't think, but...
User account control dialog. User account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Registry editor
Oh, why?
Dropbox window under Registry editor dialog adding
You'll hear this.
Intentionally change or delete values and cause components to stop working correctly. If you do not trust the source of this information in C:\users /Toshiba /Dropbox /Sarah.red, do not add it to the registry. Are you sure you want to continue? Question.
Oh,
yes,
yeah,
button. Symbol level none. Symbol levels up. No button.
Yes.
Yes button.
And I will add, or just press Alt Y, I will add, if you don't know what you're doing, I know a bit about the registry, like, don't, if you're not quite sure, make sure you back the registry up, do a system, create a system restore point, and don't mess about with the registry unless you know exactly what you're doing, because you will fuck Windows up. So
Space.
let's
Registry editor dialog. The keys and values contained in C. Users Toshiba Dropbox Sarah.red have been successfully added to the registry. OK button.
okay, right.
Dropbox window.
Now I don't know if it's necessary, but I'm gonna restart
Menu,
Tulip
menu,
now.
Shut down sub menu U. Run R. Shut. Switch user hibernate. Sleep S. Restart R. Ask R.
And I'm gonna walk out the room because I don't want to beep in, because she's done that before and restart. Ow. Hopefully she's not going to make me do updates. Ow! Oh, she's only chose to restart now. I'm scared she's going to bloody beep now. Oh, no, no. Right. I think she's okay. Oh, it's alright. She came with a weird screen, but then she went to Windows. I think I set NVDA to load automatically. And this beep isn't Tulip, it's NVDA.
Please wait.
Hang on.
Desktop window connected to control server.
That's to do with the remote, because you know the remote control thing I've set up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to press caps lock and N for NVDA. So
NVDA menu.
go to... Oh no, I don't need to do it that way.
Desktop list.
We press Control, Caps Lock or Insert if that's the NVDA modified key you've set, and S.
Select synthesizer dialog. Synthesizer combo box ETI eloquence collapsed alt plus S.
Right.
No speech.
Go to the end, we don't want no speech.
Windows 1 core voices.
Now,
Microsoft Speech API version 5.
I think it was in API 5, so press Enter, right?
Desktop list. Recycle bin not selected 1 of 16.
We don't want that one. That's horrible.
NVD change. Voice. Combo box.
And press Home. See if it's here.
Learn Kanhamsky Michelle. Microsoft Hazel. Learn. Microsoft Sarah Mobile
There
English,
we go.
United Kingdom.
And then
Rate. Slider 50 Alt plus R. 57.
speed it up a little
56.
bit. Right.
Desktop list. Recycle bin not selected 1 of 16.
And like I said, if you
Edit.
want this file,
Edit.
please you can
Taskbar.
if you message me, leave me a comment, I can
Document 1 Microsoft
send it
Word.
you in a link.
Microsoft Word document edit multi-line. Page 1 section 1 blank.
Let me just write something.
Speech mode off. Speech mode talk.
Right.
Hello everybody, how are you? I am Tulip, but this is not my voice, of course. I am using a text-to-speech voice.
Yeah, this one, it seems to compensate if it's a really good quality voice like this.
Line feed.
I really like this voice. Listen.
A,
If I do capitals,
C, D, E, F, G.
listen.
App desk. Line feed.
Right, that dog's been naughty, right. So yeah, if you want any help, then please let me know. I've got Windows 10 Professional and Woo Whip, and yeah. So I'll be doing another video soon. I'm gonna keep up my stay tuned for my Sleep Talk Recorder things, you know, monthly series, and yeah. Yeah.
Microsoft Office Word dialog. Do you want to save the changes to document 1? No button. Alt plus N. Desktop list.
It literally sounds like human. I'm gonna shut Tulip down because she's an older model. I don't really go on her that much, but I don't know. So
88% AC power on. 56.
no, I don't want to hear that actually about RAM or whatever. But the cooler's on and Tulip's fan's on. She has a certain laptop smell, you know, like around the fan and that. That I don't know if you can understand what I mean, but you know, with the synesthesia, it's like, you know, that laptop smell that Tulip has, but Aruko doesn't. And it's like comforting, if you kind of know what I mean, if you got synesthesia and autism, yeah. Sometimes I like, you know, if I feel upset, I just put Tulip, you know, like I've just put the laptop without actually going on the laptop, like to my chest, you know, like just on my lap, like sitting up. Obviously, I don't mean like weird like that, but I really do feel comfort from her. If you kind of know, yeah, I really. And sometimes I put my ear to her. No, let me turn this off because I want to listen to her, like, Yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. No, I'll do another video. I was just gonna say, you know, like, I can literally, I'm so in tune with, like, Tulip and Naruko that I can hear, like, the littlest change, like, if something's not right, like, that noise is scaring me, but I think that's a fan. I mean, you know, the SSD. But I remember once when I went to get her, and I will say, Qubit and UK Cell are good places. Like, I do recommend them. Like, is really understanding at Qubit. I went to pick Tulip up because obviously she had to have a new board put in. Well, oh, piss off, my battery now. You know what I mean? Like, not actually a new board, but a new board, like.
Speech on. Close. Button. Low power. 10% battery remaining. Low. Close.
Oh,
Button.
great. I've got to go soon.
YouTube.
But what
Back.
I was actually
Button.
saying is, I thought, because he was checking Tulip, and I thought, I couldn't hear a fan, you know, because I'm not in tune to, like, when she used the hard drive and that. And then he's like, we have a problem. Like, I'm not taking the mic, just so you know, he goes, we have a problem. And I said, what? And he goes, your laptop is just turned off, like, overheating. And I was, like, really worried. And he goes, oh, we're gonna have to, the technician forgot, like, to reconnect the fan. So I was really upset and anxious, but but it's so weird to think that people, you know, with full sight don't have this, you know, like, he didn't realise until she shut off, but I thought, why can't I hear a fan, you know? But this is what I mean. People say, oh, you won't be able to do computers because you can't see it, you know? Well, actually, my autism and my other sensors, you know, I'm not stupid. Anyway.
Speech off.
Please like and
Speech
subscribe
on.
and comment. And thank you for watching. And next time, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But please stay tuned. I do try to upload twice a month. Sometimes it's more. Sometimes it might be once a month. But it is every month. So. And feel free to check out my playlist of songs that make me see Woo Whip, Haruko, and Violet, and all that when they're singing CG, yeah.
Camera chooser.
Goodbye.
Front. Stop recording. Button.